How are you, students? Welcome back with new physics lesson, grade 10. Our lesson today, we will make a fast revision about general wave properties. The main question: what is the wave? Wave is a regular disturbance transferring energy in the direction of the wave's propagations without transferring matter. Next question: what is transverse wave? Transverse wave, we differentiate between two mechanical waves, transverse wave and longitudinal wave, by the direction of propagations of the particle of the medium and the direction of the wave motion. Transverse wave, a wave in which oscillations are at right angles perpendicular to the direction of motion, so the particles of the medium will propagate perpendicular to the direction of the motion of the wave. Give examples about transverse wave: wave on string, all electromagnetic waves like visible light, ripples in water, vibrations on guitar strings. All of this is example about transverse wave. What is a longitudinal wave? Longitudinal wave, a wave where the oscillations are parallel to in the same directions as the direction of motion. Give examples of longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves, example like pulses along a spring, sound wave and ultrasound. Transverse waveforms have transverse wave like peaks and troughs, or crest and troughs, like this. This peaks and this is troughs. Longitudinal waveforms have compressions and rarefactions. Wavelength is, what is the wavelength? Wavelength is one of four characteristics of the wave. Any wave have four characteristics: is wavelength, amplitude, frequency and periodic time. What is the wavelength? Wavelength is the shortest distance between the same point on two consecutive waves, the distance between two consecutive peaks. So the distance between two consecutive peaks, or the distance between two consecutive rarefaction or compressions, this is the wavelength. Or as a general conception, we can say is the distance between two consecutive points have the same phase. Displacement. What is the displacement? Displacement is the distance from equilibrium position at maximum distance peaks or troughs. This is amplitude, the maximum displacement of the wave. Frequency is the number of complete waves passing a given point per second, or a number of waves per second produced by a source. This is example about transverse wave, and this example about longitudinal wave. Displacement, it means the distance between a fixed position or a fixed point. This is a fixed position, and this is the highest point, its crest or peak, and this lowest point can the particle reach it of the medium, its trough. The distance between lowest point and fixed point, or fixed point and highest point, this is called amplitude. But the distance between two consecutive peak or two consecutive trough, or between two consecutive points that have the same phase, like this point and this point, this is called wavelength. It takes this symbol, this is the Latin letters called lambda, and we see that the particles just in transverse wave just propagate in perpendicular direction on the wave motion direction. But longitudinal wave, the particles just propagate in the direction of the wave motion, and this is between the center of two consecutive compressions called wavelengths, or the center of between two consecutive rarefactions are called wavelengths. This is reflection and this is compression. Thank you. Goodbye with the next lesson.